Hi, Tailor Stitch, menswear company with the slogan, responsibility built for the long haul. It looks like they started off as a shirt company and then kind of grew to creating lots of different pieces from bottoms, like jeans, pants, shirts, and outerwear, and much more. What makes Tailor Stitch unique? So they like to pride themselves on creating quality pieces, again, for the long haul. They want to have a limited environmental impact while at the same time making really stylish and really high quality pieces, again, to last you for a long time. So we're gonna go over 3 pieces they sent over. We have a shirt, jeans, jacket, and like usual, we're gonna open it, look at it, and then we're gonna try it all on at the same time. Just before we get started, we're still navigating a new space. Work in progress, so bear with me. The organic cotton tee in vintage white. Has a tailored cut, fitted around the shoulders and chest. Model is 6'1", wearing a medium. I picked up a size small, 5 ounce, 100% organic cotton, rib on neck opening, fully tapered shoulder seam, pre-shrunk, wash cold, tumble dry, low. Feels like it's quality, and there's a really nice label that's actually stitched, considering Tailor Stitch. So it makes it look a little bit, makes it look and feel higher in quality. So overall, initial thoughts, looks good. On to the next. The straight jean in rigid organic selvage. Medium rise straight leg fit with a 9-inch taper from thigh to leg opening. 32 to 34 inseam, model 6'1", wearing a 32. I am wearing a size 31 by 32. Not wearing, picked up. Got the same label on the waistband, just like the shirt. This denim is unwashed denim, giving it a raw, rigid hand feel that will soften up beautifully as it ages. 14 ounce, 100% organic cotton indigo selvage denim. 6 ounce, 100% organic cotton SF matte pocketing. Raw denim, unwashed for a rigid feel. Classic 5 pocket with selvage detailing on coin pocket. Button fly, leather patch on backside of waistband. Machine wash cold and tumble dry low. Based on the weight, they categorize it as light, medium, heavy. They categorize this as medium. Next, lastly, the long haul jacket in rinsed organic selvage. Model 6'1", wearing a medium, I'm wearing a small. So similar to an American trucker jacket, but features oversized pockets and an organic selvage denim finish. Bring this workhorse into the modern age. 14 ounce, 100% organic cotton selvage denim, 6 ounce, 100% organic cotton SF matte pocketing. Looks like this one is also supposed to fade beautifully over time. 2 rounded patch chest pockets. Left pocket features a pen sleeve. You could always use a pen sleeve. Front welt hand warmer pockets. 2 interior pockets at waist level. Zigzag reinforcement stitching on under collar and front placket. Tack buttons and rivets to last you a lifetime. Denim, soft, it's very similar, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing as the jeans. It's soft, it's not super rigid to where you really have to break it in. Initial thoughts on this, on the jacket and the jeans. Soft, doesn't feel like it takes a lot to break it in, and it doesn't feel like it's going to be very uncomfortable wearing it for the first few times. So let's get it on. This is the shirt. It's more fitted up top. If you forgot, 5'9". I actually weighed myself today. I'm like 158, so I've been eating a little too much. I've been bouncing between mediums and smalls, and so I went with the small on this one, and it fits well. It's not baggy, it's nicely fitted. There's enough room around the torso to have all this, to breathe. But again, it's a little more fitted, especially under the armpit. Not too tight, and I feel like with more wear, it's going to loosen up just a little bit. It's a good sleeve length, not too long, not too short, and a good length overall. So this is my belly button right here, and it goes down like this. Good fit, good stretch. Pants. Waist fits nice and snug. I could probably pass on a belt, but I probably would wear a belt just just to clean up that look. All right, now you can see the jeans better. So again, it doesn't feel as rigid, even though it says rigid. It doesn't feel as hard to break in, if not very minimal wear to break it in. It's not very heavy at all. I mean, they say it has a medium weight. Maybe like the jeans I wear a little bit heavier, but it's not heavy at all. It actually feels light to me. Probably can't see this, but it goes past my heels. But I'll most likely wear these with my cowboy boots because that's what I've been wearing the last couple years. And I think it'll fit well with these pair of jeans. You have that nice touch on the coin pocket. And then you got the back. I'm a 31 waist. This is a 31, and again, feels snug. Not tight, snug. Snug enough to where I don't have to wear a belt. It's a good amount of room up here. If I sit, easy. It's not tight. Feels good. Feels good, actually. Yeah, I like it. I've heard, you know, denim on denim is not, it's not, but I'm old now, and I really just wear what I want, and if I like it, that's all that matters, and if you like it, that's all that matters. So, denim on denim, that's what we got. About the same weight, not too heavy. I'd say closer to medium lightweight. This could easily break in with a little bit more wear than the jeans. What's neat on the inside is you have that nice design. Looks like a map. San Francisco. San Francisco. Good length, as you can see. And this is good for like, you know, like spring weather, or if you don't get cold, 50 degrees. If you want to layer like a hoodie underneath, probably size up. I guess you could fit like a button-up shirt underneath, but it's going to eat up more real estate, more spacing underneath. So if, again, 5'9", I normally wear a 36 now when it comes to suits, and this is kind of the perfect size. This is a 38, so if you are within that range and you want to layer underneath, if you're ever gonna wear this, I would try the next size up. But if you just wanna wear a t-shirt, like I probably will wear this, or maybe a button-up every now and then, just those two, true to size. Same thing with the jeans, 32, or I'm a 31 waist. If you're in between 31 and 32, maybe 32 to be safe, and then just throw a belt on there if it's a little bit too big. But again, 31 waist on the jeans, no issues, fits snug. Jacket, size small. I normally wear small jackets. There's the fit. That's it for Tailor Stitch. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll link them down in the description below. You can also check them out at tailorstitch.com. If you're interested in picking up any of these Tailor Stitch pieces, go ahead and use the links down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do use it, it does send commission and help this channel out, but in return, gives you a little bit more in-depth info on these specific pieces. And if not, you can pick up anything else from Tailor Stitch, and that'll still help out the channel. So thank you guys again for watching, appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.